Last Will and Testament out. Weekend at Dead Cat Lady's house, too.
Well, somebody in Hollywood just lost their job.
Written and directed by Jerry Smith.
I wrote and directed that? What am I, nuts?
Hey, Morty, I just missed a preview for your dad's citizenship.
Hi, my name is Sylvia from Sylvia Ray, and you're watching Disney Channel. So the other day I was watching South Park, and I thought it was so funny, the characters with their voices, like just the way they were talking, it was just so funny, like I was watching a video. It was the episode where Tolly was introduced. I was like mocking Tolly's voice because he's hilarious. I thought I did a really spot on, you know, Tolly impression. Then I tried to do other impressions and I was really bad at it, but it was hilarious because I think I'm hilarious. I was thinking like I should do a video of me doing impressions because I'm so good at it. I bring to you really bad impressions of really popular characters. I hope I'm sound annoying when I do this. It sounds so, it's gonna be so bad. Oh my god. Oh, Peter from Family Guy. That's all I can do. Quagmire. Giggity. Giggity. I look like I'm having a stroke. Mickey Mouse. Oh! 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 Sylvester? Like, I forgot what he sounds like. YouTube.com. You'll find everything on YouTube, especially me humiliating myself. I should have made a list before I did this video. Oh shit, I know exactly what I can do! I can show you guys on this TV! So, I found a way to cast my desktop onto my television so you can see what I'm seeing.
The poor pussycat!
The poor pussycat! The poor pussycat! He doesn't talk. Does he has he not talked in like the old episode? I want to hear him talk. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay. I sounded like Daffy Duck. That was my Daffy Duck impression. Perfect. Little pussycat. Little pussycat. Little pussycat. You made me with a hot quiver. With a hot quiver. He's so cute. Okay, now I'm just getting carried away because I love the old cartoons. Oh, Foghorn Leghorn. You guys remember him? Could you imagine mainstream dancing like to this old shit? Like
What a day for tramping through the woods.
What a day for tramping through the woods. Booty-doo-da. I'm a chicken. Rooster, that is. Don't give me that. You're not a chicken. So cute. This is getting really overwhelming because I can't do impressions. Let's do impressions of... I should have done all this beforehand. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. It's not who we are underneath, but who we are defines us. I'm Batman. Oh my god. Fucking love this scene. Thank you, good doctor. This bomb is on. And the identity of a the detonator. Burn it! Like, I was gonna do a Joker impression, But I'm not even gonna attempt to do Heath Ledger's Joker because it's so fucking legendary. I don't even want to disrespect Heath Ledger or the memory of him by attempting to even do this Joker because I know I'm not gonna nail it. And it's going to be utterly disrespectful if I even try. So I'm gonna try Jared Leto's Joker laugh. Oh my god, his laugh is so funny. I love Jared Leto. I'm not knocking his Joker either. Like, I don't hate his Joker. I appreciate the work he put into it and his dedication. You know, I just think his laugh is so funny. Sound like a crow. I'm gonna try to do Tally. Here we go, my forte. Wanna get high? I don't know what's going on. Don't forget to bring the towel. Cartman. Such quality content. Respect my authority. Yeah. That is all the impressions I have for you today. I can't do any more because my phone memory is running out of space. I hope you enjoyed my horrible impressions of characters. Please comment below what you want to see from me next. If you want me to do more impressions of characters, and if you want me to do impressions of characters, which characters you want me to do impressions of. I haven't done any of the recommendations from my last video in the comments because I haven't had the resources to accomplish that. But I plan on doing something very funny. I hope you enjoyed my video. Until next time, I will see you in my next video.